Hello everyone, it's Jessica and thank you so much for tuning in to this week's Thrifting in 2022 video. I did find 4 items at Goodwill for my kitchen on today's trip, but before I share with you what I scored today, let's take a look at all of the items that caught my eye on today's trip. I do like to go thrifting for home decor, things that I can use, and I like to pick up gifts for friends and family here and there, and I will share with you all of my scores at the end of today's video. And if you enjoy thrifting videos like this, don't forget to check out my Thrifting in 2022 playlist. I'll have it linked at the top of the screen here and also in my description box. That way you can go back and see all of the interesting things that I've seen and bought throughout the year of 2022. And don't forget to let me know what your favorite item was on today's trip. I really enjoy reading your answers down below. So I'm curious to know if anybody out there watching right now owns a set of plates like this. There were also some matching cups. I've never seen anything quite like these before. They were really thick and textured and the edges were really pointy. They didn't seem too practical, but I did like how they looked. So does anybody remember the video that I did a few weeks ago? I actually found a life-size version of this little vintage school desk right here. I almost got it, but I didn't want to have to redo the stain on top, so I did leave it behind. I have been on the hunt for another one, and I found this little miniature one here today. Anyways, I thought it was pretty cute, and I thought I would share it with you. If you missed that video, I will link it here at the top of the screen. So the first item that I scored from today's trip was this brand new Swell brand insulated water bottle, and it was only $4.27. Someone must have gotten this as a gift and didn't like it and decided to donate it. So this particular style and size retails for $45, and you can still get it on the Swell website today. The one that I found today is the Stone Collection. It's in the color Pink Topaz, which I absolutely love, and it's the 25-ounce size. And it looks like it's going to keep my coffee hot for 12 hours and my water cold for 24 hours, which is awesome. And here's a look inside of it. You can tell it's never been used before. The instructions were actually still inside of it, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this. This will be in my car pretty much 24/7. So the next two items that I purchased on today's trip were these brand new mason jars, and they were 98 cents each. And I got these to store some chia pudding in and also some homemade protein powder that I've been making for the last few weeks. And I will also leave the recipes for both the chia pudding and the protein powder down in my description box in case you're interested and want to try them out. And the last item that I purchased on today's trip was also a brand new find. It was this Joseph & Joseph space-saving cutlery organizer for $3.98, which is a great deal. These retail on Amazon for about $11, and they have great reviews. And I have been wanting one of these, so I was really happy to find this one today at the thrift store. And as you can see, I've already put this to good use. My cutlery drawer was a hot mess before this. I had things everywhere. So now everything is nice and neat and it has a home. You guys know I love my organizational items, so I was really happy to find this today. So that is everything that I found thrifting at Goodwill this week. And in case you are new here, this is my thrift store inspector, Peanut. She did approve all of my purchases today, and she just really likes to say hi to you guys every week. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video inspires you to go out and go thrifting, because you never know what you're going to find out there. Thanks again, and I will see you next week with a new thrifting video.